Low impact mini portable installation instructions. Step 1. Inspect the package. Inspect the exterior of the package to ensure there is no visible damage. If any damage is found, document it before proceeding. Step 2. Open the box. Cut and remove the black straps using scissors or a box cutter. Open the box carefully. Inside you will find 2 brown packages. One contains the tablet stand. The other contains the CPU, assembly tools, drumsticks, and a user manual folder. Remove both packages and set them aside. Step 3. Remove system components. Remove the following items from the box: the low-impact mini portable system, the 2 arm and wheel assemblies. Step 4. Prepare for assembly. 2 people are required for this step. Carefully lift the system out of the box and place it onto a sturdy table. It is recommended to place a moving blanket or soft protective material on the table to prevent scratching the front panel. Remove the protective plastic covering from the system. Step 5. Prepare the system for arm installation. Locate the up and down arrow key on the system. Plug the system into a wall outlet and turn the power on. Use the keypad to raise the panel height slightly. This step is essential to ensure proper alignment and access when installing the arms. Step 6. Install the arms and wheels. Each arm assembly includes 2 screws and 2 nuts. Remove these before installation. Position each arm on the left and right sides of the base. Ensure the yellow and black stripes are facing upward. Ensure the arms are positioned toward the front of the panel. Align the screw holes on the arm with the base. Insert the screws and secure them using the provided nuts. Step 7. Return the system to standing position. With 2 people, carefully lift the system from the table into an upright position. Unlock the wheels and move the unit to its desired location near a wall outlet. Step 8. Position and secure the system. Once in position, lock the wheels to prevent movement. Adjust the height of the panel so the centered target is approximately at chest level. Install the plastic arm covers to conceal the screws. These covers are included in the packaging. Extend the rear support arm so that it is aligned and level with the front of the panel. This provides stability to the system. Step 10. Install the CPU. Remove the CPU from its packaging. Remove the mounting knob from the back of the CPU. Attach the CPU to the back plate on the system. Then reinsert and tighten the knob to secure it. Step 11. Connect power to CPU. Locate the CPU power cord. Ensure the power switch is in the off position before connecting. Plug in the power cord, then turn the system on. If needed, use a flathead screwdriver to secure the power connection. Step 12. Assemble the tablet stand. Assemble the tablet stand using the instructions provided in the box. Once assembled, insert your tablet into the stand, download the SMARTfit app, create or log into your account. Step 13, final step, open your SMARTfit app and connect to your system. Your SMARTfit system is now ready for use.